Test 1, test 2. Mic check. Check 1, check 2. Test 1, test 2, test 1, test 2. Alright, gonna crank that all the way up. Alrighty then. Hopefully that's picking up for everybody. Let's get things rolling here this morning. It's good to be back here in the morning. Let's get around the horn.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ on the 4.
All right, so I'm gonna go around here and enable full auto. I have gone down one algo bar. So if you're looking around the top here, I have gone down one EB, except on ES. ES being the exception, top left. Here, I have not changed anything here, but let's see, let's go green here. Nasdaq down to AB3s, R2, I'm sorry, R2, R2D2. I need some coffee. I gotta get coffee going here this morning. I am still not back in the getting things going in the morning mood. I'm just, I don't know that I'll ever be a morning person. I hope as I get older that at some point I can become a morning person, but I'm not. I'm just admitting it. All right, NQ, RTY, YM, crude oil, and gold. Just check it out. We got 2, 2, 2, 2, and I'm on L2. So the original OG, still the best, L2, 2. Now, NQ being the exception, she's on 3. All right, if anybody's got any questions, please bring them to the chat. Real-time protection, yes, thank you for the reminder there, Eddie. I need to get that turned off. And let's see if I can get the text chat on screen there. There we go. Yes, RTP, real-time protection. Let's make sure we've got that off. Just open up your Windows settings, make sure real-time protection here at the top is turned to off, and other performance-based tweaks that you might do if you're playing any other video game, Fortnite, Battlefield, yada yada yada. What is your game of choice? Type it there in the chat. I have been all over Fortnite lately, thanks to my kids getting me into that one, and I'm actually having a really good time with it. Don't forget, trading is risky and all that business. Let's get to it right now. We are about 5 minutes from the US Open. 5 minutes remaining. All right, let's see, let's take a look at the news list. Let's see, we've got it's Thursday, so we've got the Red Star news events around 8:30 a.m. there this morning. It's already gone. We're coming up on, we're going to have 10 a.m. and 10:30. Nat gas at 10:30. Pending home sales, 10 a.m. And then that's it. The rest of the day, nothing. Now, I believe we have a bunch of earnings. I'm going to go into the chat and type exclamation mark earnings. Let's see. 923 companies reporting after hours today. A few in the top 10. So late afternoon, that may matter for the afternoon if we do a afternoon live stream. That will be dependent on you guys. If you guys want us to do an afternoon live stream, we're going to need to have some extreme level likes. So if you guys get a ton of likes on this video, we will do an afternoon live stream. If we don't, well, then we won't. Okay, triple ready DD, Titanic zone reversal, very nice. I did not take that one here. We got 3 minutes now. Well, 2 minutes 30 seconds to the open. We just came down into neutral territory there. That is a delta shift. I'm going to go ahead and try to snag this one. Stop right above the cross here if it doesn't work. Looking for continuation on a 5-3. That is technically a super AO. It is a delta shift though, so I'm expecting that we are kind of shifting deltas and we might get some continuation through it. Just trying to see if we can grab maybe a 20 or 40 bag out of it. Nothing big here right before the open. About to get to that shark back location. And there we go. Touch me. I'll finish it out. Don't turn right there. Give me my full 20 ticks. Thank you very much. All right, trade number 1. Under the gun. We've got the continuation of the 5.3. So on a scenario like that, the stop is still right above the cross. That's the beautiful thing. If it was going to be a loss, it was a very tiny loss. We're trying to enter in at the center of the 5.3 for continuation with a target on the shark back there for about 24 ticks in just a matter of moments. All right, we just got a 7.6 now on the high time frame. We are probably going to pop up here. We are right at 1 minute before the US Open, so now things get a little bit gnarly. This is where breaking news breaks things. Every morning we have something that's breaking, which is the US Open. So we're coming up here, 30 seconds. Get ready. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Help me out. What am I forgetting? We checked the news. We've got the earnings. We've got full auto turned on across 6 instruments. The nerd plus crude oil and gold. I don't know. Maybe I'm forgetting something. Maybe I'm not. Maybe to come down here into the open area. Oh yeah, don't forget Apex. Last day for 80% off on Apex. And funded next if you want the alternative to the trailing drawdown scenarios. Funded next. If you have not signed up with them, you might want to go check them out. Use code ALGOBOX and you'll also get the back to school offer. I should be sitting on hands for the first 5 minutes. That's what I'm going to tell you guys. Sitting on hands for the first 5 minutes. I want to turn full auto on my local. I am on L1 here on the 4s on my local. Heading up to R1.
NQ on the 34.
All right, there's a big bull we want to mark up here momentarily. There is the late Nate and the Super AO. Going to try to take a slap at that. It's a DCR along with it.
Divergence down NQ on the 81 to 34.
Whoa, they're running. Okay. Oh, it's going to be one of those. Well, that's interesting.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Okay. Well.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Do we want to
Upper bands touch NQ.
All right, I'm going to peel it for the loss here on that. Holy shnikes. Straight to prior high, didn't even look. Super AO, there's a 1, 2, 3 banger. Gonna look for the third one in the series, 1, 2, and 3. Unfortunately, it's smaller. I'm not keeping up with the tracking there. Probably need to turn on Financial Juice to see if there was some kind of news there at the open along with that. NVIDIA earnings came out last night, so that might be some of that run here, and I'm gonna have to take a loss again. Okay, and now an Enigma wants to show up. Thank you very much.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ on the Enigma long on the YM2.
All right, and the Dow is putting in an Enigma long there, so I was concerned that this might shift after that. We are currently on very odd. We're at moderate sell. And yet Nasdaq is on a launch. Gonna give that one more shot for a continuation. Got my finger over the close if we pop over that Enigma target. Nope. Nope.
2-finger NQ on the 34.
Okay, and going for the, nope, breaking through, come on. All right, so tried for the, we got the PRZ structure right there to see if the bears are going to maintain control. We've got a pink dot on the 9s, giving that a shot here. Oh, and we're pushing through. Holy shnikes, look at that, pierced through the pink dot, just completely ignoring it here this morning. So this looks like they're just getting on. There's a super AO, gonna try for that short with a mega late Nate with the Enigma. All right, let's see if that calls the high of the morning. That would be pretty cool. This could just be all everybody telling, they called up their brokers and were like, hey, buy NVIDIA for me tomorrow at the open.
NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
All right, and close it out there. Back in positive territory thanks to some super AO help and the clustering right there. All right, best play of the morning. Really could have taken both Enigmas there this morning for FTW, much higher than where we currently are. Well, rough start. But that looks like to me, if I had to call out what that would be, it looks like that was the, hey, everybody buy at the open because of whatever they talked about with NVIDIA last night. I do think we're going to come back down here. We got a red dot on the 34. I am going to give that a shot off the top here. Oh, I want to get some size on it. Thank you very much. Targets filled. We had a red dot come in off of the optimized range. I know this is going very fast here. This is not normal, so if you're coming in the first time with us, just hang tight. We're having to move very fast, get good at the video game, play the video game a lot, and you'll be able to take on days like this. This is going to be a great practice day. Go into market replay, execute on this. Again, beautiful play setups in there. This one was tricky. Pretty much if you just close out initially. Anyway, we'll come back to it. There's a lot of action here, so I don't want to miss out. All right, 11.5 into the prior high.
Double delta NQ on the 4. Divergence up NQ on the 8. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 8. Fib.NQ on the 4. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Enigma touch NQ on the 34.
Guy hitting the Enigma again. Stop behind the Enigma. Nope. Yikes. Pushing straight through on the Enigma. Trying to drop it one more time. Stop above the cross now. Nope, snapping through. Some very wild action here this morning. We're going to get a 2 try on that. Okay, we are. I'm going to go 2 try one more time. There's a white cross. Get all the way down to the target, please. There's 40 ticks. Go ahead. All right, I'll have to take it. It's too quick. Let's hope. Yeah, there it goes. All right, all the way down to the Enigma target. Just played a little chicken with it there in the prior high area. Back to the prior high. Very, I don't want to say, I was about to say very nice. I just like the fact that I could actually make some money quickly here. The afternoons have been so slow. All right, so I'm keeping track of the cross counts. There's 1, 2, and 3. They're not in the proper sequence though. So a 7-6. I need an 8.6 now for the 1, 2, 3 banger.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Divergence down NQ on the 8.
Okay, we're coming up into divergence on the 9s. Just waiting for an entry on the lower time frame. Currently still neutral.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Hope that green dot breaks. Nope.
Upper
just holding. Okay.
NQ on the 34.
Oh, come on.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
All right, there we go. Let's try it one more time for the breakthrough. The top of the channel. We've got divergence on the 9s.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Delta shift could make that a little bit. Nope. Ooh. All right, so tried to take it right there with that divergence, but got a little bit too greedy on the target and a terrible entry on it.
34. Double delta NQ.
All right, there's my DCR. It's a super DCR.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ.
We got a 7.4 on the 9s as well.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Hold that dot. Hold it. Nope.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Hold that dot. Nope. Oh, man.
Divergence down NQ.
Okay. It has been an absolute beating here this morning so far. Going in on the retry one more time. It's this area right here. If I can get a zone. It's moving so fast it's hard to even draw in anything to be able to eyeball any of it. Thank you. 2 try rule. Now get down there and give me 40 ticks. There's 37. There's 40. Come on, let me Seuss and go farther, bro. No, don't come back to my POE.
NQ on the
Hold that red dot. Come on. Drop it. All right, I'm being a greedy cat there this morning. Had the 40 ticks. Didn't take it. I'm not used to this morning action anymore. It's been a while.
Divergence up NQ on the 8th.
Terrible execution there this morning. Terrible, Vinny.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Okay, I forgot we got full auto Enigma turned on there. I'll take it. Why did it... Oh my goodness, I was like, why is that only one contract? Because you don't have an ATM selected, Vinny. Oh my goodness. All kinds of jacking things up here this morning. Even when we get a good play on full auto, I don't have it sized enough to make to do any damage.
Upper bands touch NQ.
Terrible.
34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ.
All right. We got a super AO here one more time up into the 5s. Trying to connect with some size enough to make a difference. 20. Can we get 40, please? Come on. Thank you. All right, back in positive territory on a mega late Nate super AO.
NQ4.
The 9.6. But we are on moderate sell, so I'm trying to stay on sides with it. We've got red and red currently.
NQ3.
High time frame on the 89. We have some interesting setup up here. We are inside of a shark. I'd love to see that all the way down there. That is a lot of ticks to collect. But remember, we have to let the sequence unravel here. We need, so high time frame, but now we need it to come down into the lower time frames for the opportunity to go with the lower time frame risk. Strong sell now, all 4 correlated instruments to the sell side. Okay, blue dots call bottoms all the time. Let's see if we're going to get a bottom here. That is a blue dot. It's going to be close. Nope, they're pushing through. Okay. Prior high.
Touch NQ on the 34.
They bought the prior high pretty quick there. Coming back through the blue dot. Oh man, it's too too fast to react to there. And I needed just a couple more seconds to maybe think about that one. It's against strong sell, so I probably would have not gone with it.
Finger NQ on the 89.
Okay, we've got a little bear in here. Oh, big bear. Big bear in there now. 19.5.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 30.
Okay, so I need to mark this area first. Let me clear these from yesterday.
34.
And let's start again. We've got a big bear in here now. He wants to go 250 ticks. You know the drill.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 30.
It's really just to there, wasn't it?
Lower bands touch NQ on the 30.
He's just very large.
Fib.NQ on the 8th. Fib.NQ.
Okay, big bear in there. And he wants to go 250. So to here.
Divergence down NQ on the 8th.
Having to move quick here this morning.
Enigma long short on the GC2.
All right, big bear.
Fib.NQ on the 89. Divergence up NQ on the 8.
We're at R1 here. Green dot in the 89. Yeah, I saw that.
Fib.NQ on the 8. Fib.NQ on the 8.
There's always going to be some kind of delay on YouTube, my friend. Why you need the system installed and learn how to use it. I'm not a signal service.
The S&P 500 turning negative out of the open here.
Get a new
NQ on the 4.
username as well.
Fib.NQ on the 8.
Okay, we got the delta shift. I want to take the next red entry. That cipher was
Fib.NQ
almost an entry. Okay, there's a cipher. Top of the channel. All right, close out on that one. That'll put me at 4K on the day. Literally just a get ready, take the next play. It was a cipher, exit on the opposing signal. So enter in on red, exit on green. Okay, that is a DCR. I'm a little bit too nervous to take that. Could be a DCR long right there. That is a 6-2, but that is a 5 for the next one. So we might get the continuation as it is a smaller number.
Two-finger NQ.
Yeah, I'm going to give it a shot. Worst case scenario, I stop out above the two crosses here, but that is a 6-2 and a 5-4. Normally going to be a reversal, but we've got the big bear in there, and we kind of pushed through initially. So I'll expect that we kind of get some follow through. Hopefully I can get 20 or 40 out of it. Look like we got 20 there for a moment. There's 25. Is the crab going to hold? There's 30, 36, 43, and I'll close out on a super dot right there on that one. Okay, 10 a.m. in 10 minutes. We've got home sales. Let's see if the bear is going to carry it all the way into its take profit zone. I like to write in caps, you know my deal. All right, into the take profit zone. How cool would I have been if I had held it all the way in there? I'd be real cool. Should have added in on that red dot back there, but you know, woulda, shoulda, couldas. All right, there is a Titanic zone. Nope, a little bit too dangerous there. Didn't get any kind of structure around it, just buying off the bottom of the channel. We have a Titanic zone here, potential 100 tick up move here off of this area. Titanic zone 1, 2, and 3. All right, and an Enigma 19.9. Try to grab that. The problem is that is a Titanic zone and maybe working against that. All right, I'm going to close it out. I'm going to be a little bit cautious on that one. Got to its target, 19.9. I'll take it. Oh, it keeps going. Oh, I should have held it. Oh, could have held it. Could have held it. Could have held it.
NQ on the 4.
All right, more double ready DDs. All right, I'm going to try for the upside here.
Divergence of NQ on the
And no, we're breaking through. Okay, that is unfortunate. Normally, when they're that close together and we're inside of a take profit zone there, we're normally going to pop up, but not this time.
NQ on the 4.
There's a number 8. All right, I'm going to give that one more shot here. High time frame, we also got one. Super dot on the 9s. Nope. Got a bad entry on that
Lower
one.
bands touch
If I'd gotten
NQ
in
on the
perfectly
8.
there, that was a beautiful headshot. My goodness, is this pushed all the way up? Oh, it's 100 ticks. It went 110 ticks. And I
Double delta
borked it.
NQ on the 4.
borked it. Got shaken out of that red leg right there. Shouldn't have. I'm rusty. I am rusty. First day back in the morning in a while.
Fib.NQ on the 8. Fib.NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 89. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, so remember, here's what's happened off of the high time frame 89.
NQ on the 4.
That's the 89. I would have been happy, as I told you before, if we had just gone to the front of the shark. We've gone even farther than that. It has been very fast though, and it was so fast. So, like, I generally like fast, but man, that was too fast for me to react easily. It was not easy. King timing coming up here in a few bars. I'm hearing buyers step finally in the take profit zone. Remember, the big bear was up here.
Fib.NQ on the 8.
Okay, got a red dot off the 9s. Could have probably taken a short right there. Still on moderate sell.
Fib.NQ on the 34. Enigma long on the NQ3.
In 5 minutes time, we have the US pending home sales.
Okay, that one went directly to its target. There was an Enigma on the 3s there. That took it straight up to its target.
US pending homes index previous 72.
I couldn't react to that one to try to take here on the 4s. $7.1.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Double delta NQ on the 4.
I'm going to press refresh here on the chart here. I wanted to see if it had put
Medium delta NQ on
didn't
sale
save.
month over month.
So I was hoping, is Plutonium here? Plutonium, are you around? I think, like, just a minute ago, I had a hard time reading the 7-1, but to change it so that these numbers behind the Alpha Omega are black, I thought we just need to set the text to black background and then save that as default. I might need to restart for that, but just curious if you already know. Summer's gone, volatility's back. Yeah, volatility is up. It's today for sure.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 30.
But this might be because of the, you know, Nvidia stuff last night. All right, there's another big bear stepped in. Huge, 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 huge. Okay.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 30.
I mean, it's literally off the backside of this one. Okay, there we go. To that spot here. Big bear there. Big bear. He's a level 2000.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 30.
So I'll get to mark another 250 down below. So out of that, he wants to go to 50. Be about right
Lower
here.
bands touch
To the
NQ
prior
on the
close,
34.
basically.
NQ on the 89. Enigma long on the NQ4. Fib.NQ on the 4.
All right. Enigma called the bottom. And Enigma, second one, pushing it up.
Double Delta NQ on the 8th.
Yes, double click on the AO number and then set background black and then save as default. Okay, well, that's kind of what I did. Let's see.
Fib.NQ
This one to
on the 4.
black. Then the font color is going to be red. I think that's going to force all the font colors up here to be red though, right?
A senior Iranian official has said diplomacy with the three European countries will continue.
Yeah, I think I already did. I think I have to restart because I changed it here and I set it as default.
1 minute to go. I'll be leading with the US pending home sales change month on month.
Yeah, there's been several times when I couldn't read that number quite well. Like most of the time I can read it, but on occasion it's in a spot where I can't. So I kind of want to.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, so let's do the next one here. We got a big bear in here. Big bear. And he came in right back
Finger
here.
NQ on the 89.
10 seconds.
Okay, here comes the news.
Fib.NQ on the 8th.
All right, we're gonna have to get to 100 likes like really fast, folks. If y'all want me to stay for the whole session, we need to get 100 likes.
Touch NQ on the
We are shy on the likes, folks. We got I'll give it 1 more minute. We got to get to 100 likes. It's 10 a.m. We have to be at 100 if you guys want me to stay for the whole session. Otherwise, we'll call it a day. So make sure we get to that 100 likes here. We are at 10 a.m. Restarts needed. Okay, cool. All right, so I just took that DCR with a double ready DD short right there for about 46, almost 50 ticks there on that one right after the news. Enigma popped it up here. We are currently coming back into moderate buy, so we've got 3 of the 4 nerds saying long. Now back to neutral.
Double Delta NQ on the 4.
Very fast action here today. It's literally been video game style. Super AO long right there. Inside the big bear zone.
NQ on the 34. NQ on the 4.
Okay, big plays coming here. When you get the opposing colors side by side, it's unfortunately not an easy leg to read. We don't have it off of an easy leg to read for a double cross, double move.
Divergence down NQ on the 34.
All right, we got 1 more minute to get to 5. We need 5 more likes.
2 finger.
Or I'll catch you guys this afternoon.
Short on the NQ.
There's an Enigma short with a pink dot. Let's see if we can end on a winner. I hear buyers stepping. I don't like the sound of that. I'm going to close it out. I'm hearing buyers, buyers, buyers into the 10.3.
On track for confirmation before the Fed meets in September.
Audio box overriding my play initially.
Fib.NQ on the
Okay, there is a pink dot on the 9s.
Fib.NQ
Nope.
on the 4.
Asks US judge.
Flipping it over. Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
To be
Fib.NQ on the 34.
Just got me too nervous there
Court filing.
on that one.
Fib.NQ on the 8.
Now it switched to a green dot. So we went pink dot to green dot. That's a very fast. It's been very fast there. It was 50 ticks between those two,
34.
and then launched back up there in between from pink to red. Okay, so now one thing to remember and take a note of. Did that bear make any money? Pop quiz. Before I go, because we did not get to 100 likes. Let's see. Did the big bear, did he make money? Type it there in the chat.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
He has not made money, so they need to return here. Yes? Question is when,
Upper
right?
bands touch NQ on the
So
34.
mark that bear up. I'm gonna actually remove this green zone there because it's confusing now for when you'll need to know it. But big bear is right there. That's the main thing we need to know. So we've got a juicy target down below us for some point there today. There's a pink dot. Pink dots call tops all the time. I'm going to give that one shot here right before we call it.
Divergence down NQ on the 8th.
Stop above the pink dot there. Currently neutral. Okay, it gave me 20. Am I being greedy?
Fib.NQ on the 8th. Fib.NQ on the 34.
Yes, I am, and I'll take it. All right, 6K for the morning. Hey, we got to 100 likes. Never mind. We'll be in. I'm in it. I'm in it. Thank you guys for the likes.
Fib.NQ on the
All right, you guys want me to hang out? I'm for it. All right, pink dot for the win. So two things. Remember, blue dots call bottoms all the time. What do pink dots call? Pink dots call tops all the time. Beautiful. Wish I would have held it a little bit longer. Holy cow, look at that. Went 127 ticks. I got about 50 ticks out of it. 6K there on the morning, 10:04. We got 6 minutes till coffee time. And there we go. We let the big bear out. So the big bear was touched. They let him out. Wow, that happened a lot faster. Wow, everything is accelerated here today. I would have to just say thanks NVIDIA probably for that. NVIDIA reporting after hours last night.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
Love what we do. Thanks, E-Mini Badger. Appreciate it, sir. Pink dot. Enigma on the 5. Beautiful. Yep. Well, we had correlation there on the 4s.
Fib.NQ on the 34.
Peter Einstein Tootman came back from vacation. Is that why we got the move? Whoa, okay, we now have a... Okay, follow the sequence. Did we let the bear out? Yes, we did. Now, who's just stepped in? Big bull. Big bull. Now we have to acknowledge the bull, yes? All right, draw in the bull zone right here. Bzzz. All right, big bull in here. How far does the big bull want to go? He wants to go 250 ticks. Does he have a trap back behind him? Yes, he does. You know the sequence. Sequence is on. Here we go. So I want to measure from the middle of the zone right here. And folks, look, if it's your first time with us, this is not normal. Okay, this is super fast today. So relax. Kick back. Whoa, look at this. Right back to the prior. Isn't this fascinating? Look, folks, there is structure to the markets. Here we go. That is a 16.6. Whoa, and another big bear. I'm sorry, another big bull stepping in. Double trouble.
Fib.NQ on the 8th.
And that's 1500, even bigger than the one before. So 250 is up in here. Which is basically right at the prior high. They want to go, I don't know if they want, I want to say we want to retest the prior high, but that's what that's the target for them right now. 2 big bulls in there. Now that might be them pushing it up into an area, who knows, from yesterday. I might have missed one from yesterday that might still be there where they're trying to let themselves out. So if there's a big bull up in there that needed to get out as well, because that's what it feels like. That is definitely feeling like that's what's happening there.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34, delta NQ on the 8th.
See if I can mark this green in time. It's everything's so fast. I almost feel like I can't can't blink.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, was that 8.1? Let's see. Wow, ran it all the way up here. Back to R1. There's an R1 touch. Probably could have sold that. Captain Rex, you passed your PA. Awesome. Congratulations. Beautimus. Left hand buy, right hand sell. We're back to touching moderate buy. Here in the seller's step.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Yeah, woulda, shoulda, coulda. Shoulda bought that 6.1. Listening for buyers. Nice power PRZ cross there. I was just too chicken to smack that one, but that was perfect. Yeah, I'm going to quarter position, give it a shot there. Did not hear buyers. Come on, buyers, want to hear you. Where are my buyers at? No, I don't know. I didn't hear any buyers step in there, so I'm too chicken. I'm cutting out, but it feels like that would be the launch point. Here comes King timing. Left hand buy, right hand sell. Here's king timing right now. Need to hear buyer's step. Nope, it was a seller. Buyers just now finally stepped. A little late for me. Ugh. Just was not as comfortable on that one. Grabbing that as they start to kick in. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. It's been tricky there this morning. Let's see if they're going to take it into the take profit zone there. Would like to have an entry for it. Be a double cross, double move. Something.
Enigma short on the end.
Oh, okay. We've got an Enigma with audio. So I'm going to play this as an Enigma audio. Oh, I do not like that. Oh, I do not like that. Oh. All right, I'm going to peel half there. It broke the cross. I heard buyers. It's Enigma audio box play. And we know we got their target up top. Nope. Hearing sellers. Boo.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
All right, there's the dot. I'm going to try it one more time. Otherwise, it's going to be a crime. Stop below the dot. And we cracked it. Oh my goodness. Ouch. That cost me almost 6K trying to play against the Enigma. I won't say it's against the Enigma. There was obviously audio box pushing into it, trying to get to it. We've come into moderate buy. All right, 2-try rule. One more time here. Want to hear the buyers. Come on, buyers. Step back in there for me. Now's your time, buyers.
Fib.NQ
Nope,
on the
crack the cross, peel in half. Coming back through. Nope, bottom of the cross. Cracking out. Very difficult to get up there. Soused and closed. Wow, that was huge. That was nasty. That was nasty. That's what I get for trying to play through coffee time. Here comes king timing. Come on, you trapped him down below. Come on, you trapped him down below. No, don't trap me in. Oh my goodness. That was terrible. Terrible.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 8.
All I had to do is go take my coffee break. This is what happens at 10:10 to 10:30. So reminding myself, hey Rusty, Vinny, you're rusty, bro. It's been a while since you've been in. Don't forget. This is why we exit at 10:10. Go take a walk between 10:10 and 10:30, because while this is probably going to play out just fine, it's going to be ganky getting there between 10:10 and 10:30. This is a time to not be sitting here at the desk. As this exchange of hands happens, this is the first 30 minutes of the day. They push from the overnight. Then we have that little window of time, little 10-minute window there where everything's cool. They assess what's occurred and they start executing right there. 10 minutes past 10 a.m. between 10:10 and 10:30. Now the next set of hands starts to kick in. And that just reminded me of that right there. Got it handed to me on a $12,000 swing. That is going to look nasty on my P&L. Let's see what that look like. Oh, that is so nasty. Back and forth morning, sitting in red.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Poor execution. Tough day so far there.
Upper bands touch NQ on the
Out of practice, can feel it. Can feel myself out of practice. And just happen to be coming at, what are the odds that I come back in the morning on, I don't know if this is one of the fastest days. I have not been around, but from what I'm hearing from the chat, you guys are saying this is way faster than it has been recently.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Probably due to all the excitement around whatever happened with Enigma. Wow, Enigma. NVIDIA news last night on their earnings.
Fib.NQ on the 34.
So volatility up. And normally, I love that. But not today. Just tricky. Wish I would have taken that 11.3. Looks so easy in hindsight, even on the 8-1 back there. They almost got to their take profit zone. We're in the green, so let's see if we get 2 crosses in here to see if they'll defend. There's cross number 1.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
All right, I really should be waiting for 2 crosses, but that is a level 13. That is a very strong cross, so I'm going to try it. Let's see.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch.
Thank you. Keep going. Keep going. There's 50. Give me more. Come on. Thank you. Get up there. Keep going. Head fake down. Trap them. And then let's go. Thank you.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 34. Lower bands touch NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ on the 4.
I'm so greedy today, man. I should have taken that 50 ticks back there.
On the 34.
So greedy, especially when it was against red. Come on, Vinny. Get your head out of your tail, bro.
In 10 minutes time now, at the bottom of the hour, see the release of the weekly EIA natural gas change. Forecast 26 BCF
Lower
on
bands
the
touch
prior
NQ
13
on the
BCF.
34.
So the US's Kellogg says Russia attacks undermine Trump's peace initiative.
You know, should have waited for the second cross in this area, inside of a, if you're going to have a defense leg of this green area, I should be waiting for the second cross.
The Russian strikes.
But that 13.2 is very powerful. There we go, back to neutral. Be the one, come on. Now run it.
Double delta NQ on the 4. Double delta NQ on the 8th.
Oh. There's 50. I'm being greedy again. Come on, make it pay off for me this time. Go your 100 ticks. Get up there and go to your target.
Divergence down NQ.
Go to your home, ball. Go to your home. No.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 8. Double delta NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4.
Crack it. Nope. Back to the 13.2. Now, where's the cross at? Not, we can't get another cross inside here? Come on now. Give me another cross inside the defense leg.
Ukraine's President Zelensky says that security guarantees are to be set on paper next week.
Fib.NQ on the 8th.
All right, I'm gonna kill it. Oh, that's gonna look gnarly. Ooh. So, 13.2. Grabbed it. How far did it go? 100 ticks. I didn't get nothing out of it. Oh, Vinny, you suck, bro. That should have been so easy.
Fib.NQ on the 34.
All I had to do was exit on the 12. It basically, it's like, but I've just got my eye on this prize. It's like I measured this out and I'm like, oh, hopefully my measurement's just right. Your measurement can be off sometimes. And
at the bottom of the hour, see the release of the weekly natural gas change. The forecast is a build of 26 BCF.
we need 2 crosses. We need 2 greens in here. Number 2 and 3 are the best ones to enter in on the defense leg. So I'm hoping we get another one, but I don't know. That was such a beating. There's the 3rd cross. It's a white cross. I'm looking for some of these. I don't want these little
Fib.NQ on the 4.
retail level crosses. Come on, man.
34.
In the defense leg territory here. So far back here. It's crazy. They've built up plenty.
NQ on the 8th.
The White House on Fed's Cook says Trump exercised his lawful authority.
NQ on the 4. NQ on the natural gas storage.
The White House says Trump found there was cause to remove Lisa Cook.
All right, it's got a 6.7. Don't crack it. Oh, cracked it. Okay.
And White House adds that Fed's Cook was credibly accused of lying.
Double delta
There we go. All right. Now pick it up, bro. Tired of your nonsense. Let's go.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
Come in here and defend that. Let's go.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 34.
Should have just waited for this.
The White House says the removal for cause improves the Fed's accountability.
Well, today's been difficult, right? Today's been super fast. I mean, yeah, this is not normal. If you're like, oh, well, dude, don't use today as a, don't make the exception the rule. Today was an exceptional
Trump on Truth
amount of
Social
speed.
says, stay tuned.
This is normally a lot easier to pace. This was not an easy pacer there this morning at all.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Even that, the fact that it came all the way back down to my POE, forcing me out half, is crazy. It's about to do it again. Oh my word. Oh my word. This price action is so tough. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. They're gonna eat up this defense leg.
1 minute remaining for the EIA natural gas change.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Okay, there's a Titanic zone. You guys done with your nonsense? You gonna come in and defend your position? You gonna give me another cross in here? $30 seconds till 10:30. 30 seconds till I should probably come back. Like, imagine I'm just now about to come back to the desk and I see this. Now I could be entering in here if I was not sitting through coffee time. So just reminding myself, don't play through coffee time. Like, don't get cute with it. You don't have to play through coffee time. You can just wait.
Build of 18 BCF.
After coffee time, you'll have plenty of opportunity.
26 BCF.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Crack that dot, please. Crack it.
Natural gas.
Thank you.
Gapping up to the upside, in fact, on the lower than expected natural gas change.
My goodness. So hard.
Enigma long on the RTY2.
Come on. Now defend your area, bulls, and push it. They're like, nope, not today, bro. Whatever happened last night with the... Why can I not keep remembering NVIDIA? Whatever happened with NVIDIA last night is on traders' minds. The big guys are on the move. Maybe it got dumb money to come in to buy up their positions to get out of their own. I don't know.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
We are deep into the bull zone here. Are they gonna let me roll with it?
So we have posted out the US EIA weekly natural gas storage report on the feed for those interested.
Nope. Selling still. King timing coming up in a couple bars. Red dot coming in, having to small up again. My goodness. Cracking through. Come on, be the one. King timing, let's go. Let's go. You trapped them plenty. Now let's go.
Fib.NQ on the 8th. Fib.NQ on the 34. Divergence down NQ on the 8th.
Come on, push through the mega latent 8. Come on, push through it. Push through it. Do not turn right there. It could turn here. I don't like it. Come on, push through. Now get all the way to your take profit zone. Let's go. Go take your profits. Go. 16.9. No. It's too big. Come on. Go. 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 Go to your home. Go to your home ball. Go. Go to your home. Go to your home ball. Go to your home. Go to your home. All the way. All the way. Go to your home ball. Go to your home. Go to your home. Go to your home ball. All right, whatever. All right, I got all my money back. I don't even care. That sucked. I'll be right back. I need some coffee.
Enigma short on the NQ3. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ on the 4. Divergence down NQ on the 8.
The
Upper
UN
bands
Security
touch
Council will
NQ
meet
on
on
the
Friday
34.
on France, Britain and Germany, triggering the process to reimpose sanctions on Iran, according to diplomats.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Fib.NQ on the 4. Double delta NQ on the 4. Double delta NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 8. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 8. Fib.NQ on the 4. Double delta NQ on the 4. Two finger NQ on the 34. Divergence down NQ on the 89. Double delta NQ on the 4.
Oh, is it going to finally make it to its profit zone? Finally. Oh, what a pain in the patoot. There you go. Finally. Finally.
Upper bands touch NQ.
About time.
4. Upper bands touch.
There you go.
4. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Whatever, dude. Is that a 4,000? Oh my goodness. What a wild day. That is a 4,000 level bull.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Okay. I can't even keep up with this sequence. It's happening so fast today. Okay. Let's try this. I'm trying to eat a sausage patty here. My goodness. Alright, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this whole thing, make it purple.
Upper bands.
Well, I say I'm going to do that.
89.
Where's the leg? Started right here. Ended here. Oh my goodness. 4,000 level bull. Yeah, it wants to get high of day. 248. 250 is basically right at high of day. Oh my goodness. This is going to be wild. This is going to be wild. All right. So, High of Day is on the plate now. This is now purple. No, it's not. It's green. Whatever. There's no big. Well, that was just their target. These are now done. Got a big bull in here. Giant bull. All right, give me some bull emojis in the chat. Cow. Okay, High of Day area up above, and it's going to be large because it's a 4,000 level. Holy shnikes. Rough.
The US welcomes the Europeans' plan to impose
long
Iran's
NQ on the 4.
snapback sanctions.
All right, the bots are not doing too hot. The bots are down 350 on the day. I mean, it has been a wild, wild day.
Divergence down NQ on the 34.
So just surprised that they're hanging in there at all. But normally they'd already be up 1K on the day. So very wild type of style day here so far. J-hook. Okay, J-hook target 1, 2, and 3. There's a green dot potential. Okay, switch dot. I don't know what care about CVD much, but when the CVD is positive, so that's huge. Don't short. What is CVD? Bro, don't use acronyms in here that we don't use if you're not going to explain what they are.
Double delta.
And nobody said anything about shorting.
Enigma short on the NQ4.
See, and I mean, I'm just going to call you out and tell you how retarded that is. So you come in here and you say CVD, Okay, so your acronym isn't even right, because what you actually mean is then it's CDV, cumulative delta volume, and you're over here being like CVD, and you wrote CVD twice. CVD.
Upper bands touch NQ on the
Don't care about CVD much, but when the CVD is positive, and then you turn around and you say that it's cumulative delta volume, it's CDV. Like, again, don't come in here and call out crap that I don't talk about in our training. There's nothing to do with our stuff, and then use invalid acronyms if you're going to try to help. I appreciate that, but I think everybody knows you don't go short. You don't need anything but that right there. You keep using your nonsense tools that you don't even know what the fuck their acronym is. Pardon my French, but I don't know why you guys keep trying to pretend as though there's anything better than AlgoBox. You're nuts. Even on poor execution today, I'm still up 1700 after all the work. It's crazy. You don't need any of the other crap that you don't even know your own acronym for. Been hanging out with Mike Schwartz too long, apparently. There's target 2. Let's see, we had audio box pushing straight through the Enigma. Could have gotten long there. Just kind of settling back in here with the coffee. Let's see. Interesting that we're still neutral across the nerd.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Okay, big bull. I'm sorry, big bear just stepped in right there. Is the level 1000.
In 10 minutes time now, at the top of the hour, we get the Kansas City Fed Composite Index, forecast 1, unchanged from the prior. And the manufacturing, prior was -3.
NQ on the 34.
So the nerd touched green for a moment. And then after that, Big Bear stepped in. He's like, no more for you.
Fib.NQ on the upper bands touch
All right, there. Let's see if this. So this should be a defense leg. So what do I want to see in here? Pop quiz. Inside of the giant bull area, what do I want to see inside of here? Question mark. What do I want to see for my entries? Green AOs, that's right, Badger. I mean, they defended it without anything. Look how powerful this zone is going to be. Like, it didn't even, the no crosses whatsoever. They're just like, nope. Just touch the top of me, I'm pushing. Like, they're like, nope. 2 green AOs is the absolute ideal. Yes, exactly. Or a blue dot. Yeah, I'll take a blue dot too. Give me a blue dot in there. But what I'm looking for most of the time, like a blue dot for whatever reason should surprise me. I should probably be looking for a blue dot as well. That's a good point. Very good point. Man, you guys have been studying. You guys know what's up. 3's even better. Yeah, I'll take 3 O's. I'll take a 3-0 banger. I would absolutely love that. But I'll start adding in on the second one. And if it's a significantly large one, I'll get in on the first one. Like the one from earlier today, that level 13, it was a good entry. Like, I mean, I roll back the tape and just watch that 13. It was still good. Like, literally moved up 100 plus ticks off of the 13.2. And I just botched execution around it. There's the 2 crosses. That's what I really want to get. And that was the big, big move. And then, you know, anyway. So yes, I'm looking generally, once we're coming to the defense leg area, I want to enter in on crosses. I'll build a position around cross 1 and 2. If the first one is small, I'll try to ignore it. I want to get significantly large on the second one and the third one, if there's a third, but as long as I am large on cross 2, that's generally how I want to play that. And a banger, yeah, I would love a banger. There's nothing wrong with that. But inside the defense leg, 2 crosses is really all I need to get going. Or a significantly large single green. Let's see.
In 5 minutes time, at the top of the hour, we get the Kansas City Fed Composite Index. Forecast is 1 from the prior 1, and the manufacturing index prior was -3.
All right, so we need to mark up the big bear. He's right here. Or where they started taking some profits. So a third of the 4,000 has been removed right here.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 34.
Mark this right here. Okay, a good Seuss long right here. Still neutral. Interesting. So 2 out of 4
NQ on the 4
are long. It's too long, too short for the nerd. So Nasdaq, ES, RTY, and the Dow are split right now.
touch NQ on the 34. Double delta NQ on the 4. Upper bands touch NQ on the 34. Divergence down NQ on the 8th.
Okay, noting again, the competitors are botting my channel. So, again, I passed these over to my new YouTube rep on the daily, and he's assured me that they don't take any, what's the word? They don't take any credence into those anymore. They're aware that those things occur, and he was like, I appreciate you telling us and all that, like, you know, you could record them in case anything does happen, he said, but you know, they already know about this stuff and these little tactics that these low IQs take that used to be high IQ play, because you could make it look like your competitor is botting their own channel. He said, but that doesn't, yeah, they've done that. Yeah, exactly. They do it. They do it continuously. They can't beat us, so they try to cheat us, but it doesn't matter. I've already talked to the Google reps, and they said it's an old tactic, but it doesn't work anymore. It's like old SEO. We used to like try to jam pack your website with significant words. That doesn't work anymore either. So the algorithms have gotten smarter. So low IQ tactic, waste of time and money. So good for them. I hope they keep wasting their time and money.
NQ on the 34.
Okay, there's a 6-1. Kind of a 1AO. I'll try to grab it.
Fib.NQ on the 8th.
See if we'll pop up there.
3-month bills on September 2nd to settle on September.
We went 20. Are we going to get 40?
$1 billion, or sorry, $73
No.
billion in 6-month bills on September 2nd, settling on September 4th. And they're selling $50 billion in 50
Listening for buyers.
Same dates, September 2nd to September 4th.
Got a green dot on the 8s.
Kansas City Fed Composite is 1 as expected.
Fib.NQ on the 8th.
Come on. Let me hear the buyer's step. You only filled me? You didn't even fill me full? Come on now.
And the Kansas City
Boo.
manufacturing is 0-0.
Fib.NQ on the 34.
So tried for the 1AO here on the 6-1. I'm going to draw a white line here on it. So above that white line on the retry, let's see. I mean, give me a 1-2-3 banger. I mean, I'll take it. Need to hear buyers.
Draft UN Security Council resolution to extend the Iran nuclear deal for 6 months. So the Russia-China draft UN text seen by the wires urges all parties in the Iran nuclear
But
deal.
I feel like this whole little zone there. What is this? What is this garbage? Okay, PRZ cross. Heard the buyer's step. Nope. Nope. And I'm out. Man. Oh my goodness.
Divergence up NQ on the 8.
Thanks for the likes, Muppets. Appreciate it.
Upper bands touch.
Yeah, because some of those will stay. So, like, what they don't realize is it ultimately, technically, is going to end up working in our favor because it's still going to be more likes than we would normally get because some of their little insignificantly retarded accounts are going to count as the like. But the majority of them will just get wiped. All right, one more time. That's a 6 and that's a 7. 12, 6, 7. It's one larger than the prior. Bottom of the zone. Come on, pick it up. There's 16. Can we go 20? There's 20. All right, I'm gonna take 20. Like, I can't. Oh. Come on now. All right, I'm gonna go half position.
NQ on the 4.
Oh, they're gonna run without me? Nope, they got it. Tracked the dot. Come on, head fake down, then pop up. Oy vey, what a day.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, we're right on top of that zone. One more time. Let's see if they're going to defend it like they did before. Voraciously defending their top of their very large bull zone. Like, I don't think he's satisfied just getting 100, and we've only pulled out 1K out of that. All right, there's a 7. We go for the retry. Retry line is here. Should have put a line here before. There's a 2-try rule. We got the HMD back behind it. Here in buyers, gonna try to add to position. Hopefully that's a big, juicy, nasty trap back there. I will Seuss on the way up. Or she'll fake me and my goodness. Okay. Really?
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Crack it.
Divergence down NQ on the 8th.
Seuss. Nope. All right, folks. I'll be back this afternoon. Don't forget, it's only 2 days left for the summer sale. So you got 2 days. Of course, after looking at what we happened today, maybe you don't want to get Algo Box. Just kidding. I think there's some beautiful play setups in here. Poor execution on my part. First day back for the morning stuff here for me. I'll be back here this afternoon, 2 o'clock. I was not planning on being here the entire morning to begin with, but hey, we played it out. A lot of volatility, a lot of action. This probably comes off the backs of the NVIDIA earnings last night. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. Wish I could have held on to this position. I've just gotten beat up too much here today. So mentally, it is difficult for me to continue to play into the game. I can feel myself being mentally frustrated by it, so I can't really hold my head into the game right now. Don't be like me. In a scenario like this, be in the game, having practiced. I'm out of practice because I have been out here for the summer doing the slow motion stuff and just was not prepared. This is beautiful play setups. Everything is laid out very well there today. Poor execution, a lot of speed. Everything has been a little bit tricky on the way. Nothing was really super simple in there. At the same time, if I roll back the tape, I'll probably be able to see it. Hindsight being 2020, of course. But I will be back there this afternoon. Don't forget, funded next. Use AlgoBox code. Don't forget to use it with Apex. Apex is their last day at 80%. I believe there's going to be a sale coming up here this weekend. I'll be talking with funded next later today. Oh, there it goes. And it's going to go. And it's going to go now. Of course, it's going to go now as I am signing off. Super frustrating. I'll be back there 2 o'clock here this afternoon. We'll talk some more back then. All right, can't even talk right there. Gotta go take a break. My goodness. See ya.